Where you going? What's he doing? What you doing? What are you doing? You want to talk it up? Do you want to talk? Say, sorry we missed yesterday. We took a really long nap. We slept for like ever. Yeah, and when we woke up, it was too late to do anything. Too late. Yeah. You want to tell them about it? You want to tell them about it? No. What you thinking? You want coo? Do you want to talk? You want to talk? Yeah, maybe. Undecided. Do you want to talk? You got a little Julie spit. Do you want to talk? Hello. Hi, Finn. Hi. Yeah. I'm going to play with my hand instead. Is that funny? What do you think? No, there's nothing wrong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong. You're funny. Yeah, you act like you're going to cry when you want to laugh. You just can't decide what to do. Can't decide what to do. Undecided. I know. It's crazy. Crazy, I say. I know. Yeah. Yes. 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 That was funny. What was that noise? You want to try again? Make another noise? Goo. Goo. Uh-huh. Yeah. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What do you think? Really? Really? Oh, Kicky Mickey. Yeah? It's okay. Yeah? No, it's alright. Such a good video. Such a good video. It's ending on a smile. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gotta end on a smile. It's close enough. I'll take it. Want to try one more time? Come on. There we go. Okay.